Hey friends, I have a super easy birthday gift breakdown for you using a 31 zipper pouch. So we have a 10-year-old friend who is having his birthday this weekend. So I have a little stash of candy that I pick up once a year and I just use it to add to gifts like this. So I've got some Pixie Sticks. I've got a pack of Pop Rocks, which are super fun. Welcome back to the 80s, friends. I've got vinyl stickers off Amazon, which are super fun. These are on the Among Us theme. We don't play video games, but our little friend does. So I also picked up a diamond dot painting kit, and this comes with enough stuff for two people to do it together. It's got 2 trays and 2 daughters. So I thought this would be fun because my 10-year-old happens to love doing diamond dots, and it's a really chill activity, especially if they have siblings who are doing their own homework or other stuff, and they're looking for a non-screen activity. And this supports a hobby he already loves. So it will all tuck away inside the zipper pouch that I already happened to have. And I will just tie it with a bow. She can put a card inside and we're off to the races. So that's a birthday gift idea for a 10-year-old using a zipper pouch.